Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia and I'm back with another hair review. So dolls, I chose to switch it up a little bit. Today's video I'm filming inside of my bedroom, so welcome to where the magic happens. I'm single, so actually there's not any real magic that's happening, but we're about to make some magic happen with this unit. So today's unit, as I've already given you a preview, is this sexy 30-inch headband wig from Sogoodhair. Now, this is my second collaboration with this company. The first video I did is a couple of weeks ago. It actually didn't get a lot of views, but I think you guys should go check it out because honestly, I really like their hair. You guys know I'm really nervous about trying new vendors because it hasn't really been too many good experiences with them so far, but I can say that I did like the hair from Sogoodhair, so I'm excited to try this unit out. So okay, it's a headband wig. You already know the drill. Let's get to it. First, we gotta prep the hair. Don't pay attention to those beady beads, as Martin would say.
Now lube it down, beady bead. Ain't no excuse. Lube it down.
I'm gonna go ahead and tame them really quickly, but it's okay. I'm about to show you how to go from bad to baddie in under 5 minutes. Okay, can't leave it tied down too long if I'm gonna be in and out in 5 minutes. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and put on this wig cap. And just push that back a little bit. It has a standard 2 combs in the front, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back. Now I'm gonna try it on. I don't use that one in the middle. I just use the sides. Tuck this in the back. Secure the back with the Velcro straps. Push this back a little to show some of my edges. You don't have to, of course. This is just a preference. You can wear it covering your edges. She ready. Love this, man. I tell you. These headband wigs, I don't know, I hope they never go out of style because these are just life-changing. And I am ready to go out the door. You gotta love it, right? Okay, so of course, let me show you guys what the back of this unit looks like. I'm gonna stand up for you guys, but not just yet. Let me go ahead and try on the headband that came with this unit. This one is giving me like a sporty vibe. Like this will be perfect for exercising, although to be honest, I wouldn't wear my hair this long to exercise. But of course, they do offer this unit in shorter lengths. You know I gotta throw on the earrings to complete the look. I just threw on some nice simple hoops because I felt like it goes with the hair. And this is all you need to do to rock this look. Since this is a long unit, there's an endless amount of possibilities on how you can rock this. I'm just gonna try a few for you guys to give you a couple of suggestions. Of course, I personally think I would just rock it like this. I mean, it's nothing better than this. Just long, flowy, looking like it came from my scalp. Baddie, okay? All right. Of course, we always love to do a long pony. The long pony has never been any easier to achieve than now. All you have to do is take my little scrunchie and do a ponytail. Now to cover that hair tie, I'm gonna just take a small piece of hair from the back and take that and wrap it around the ponytail. And as you can see, it gives it a more sleek look. This hair is so pretty. Okay, next I'm going to try just wearing it to the back. Take a little rubber band. My headband is sliding back. Looks like I should have used that comb in the middle, but honestly, I feel like it's placed too far back. I don't know why companies place the comb that far back. I'm gonna just take one of my bobby pins to secure it. Luckily, this wig does come with extra wig clips, so I would most likely just sew one in the middle part, but I'm not about to do that right now. Now, real talk, why folks, why you gonna sew a wig clip in the middle of the head this far back? How are we supposed to put that on? How is that supposed to work? Y'all been doing it with the lace wigs for so long, and now y'all want to go and do it. It's already a half wig. Where's this clip supposed to go? I digress. Let's try that again. Yeah, I don't know how I'm supposed to get this wig clip. Come on, let's actually try this out. Let's put their theory to the test. Let's have this wig clip right there. And then I guess we're supposed to wear the wig like this. I'm not gonna throw the baby out with the bathwater, but so good. Y'all need to fix this. And they're not the only one who's done this. This doesn't make any sense, okay? I'm gonna try it back on again and hope this time it stays. Let me try it on with another headband. So this is another one of those headbands I got from Amazon. It came with a pack of 10. They had such cute selections. We can also put this in a braid. Take a little bit of hair out to wrap around the hair tie. And I'm just gonna take a little rubber band and tie it around the end to hold it in place. And then I'm gonna take this hair and wrap it around the hair tie. I could make it a little tighter, but you guys get the gist. Oh, I have an idea. You can also use some string that usually is used for braiding hair if you want to jazz it up a little bit. She's cute. So I'm about to go out, so be sure to stay tuned for the clips at the end to see how I decided to style it. So dolls, let me go ahead and give you the deets on this unit. As I mentioned, this wig is from Sogoodhair. This is their straight headband wig in 30 long inches. And this is in 150% density. Now, I will say my one con about this unit is that I wish I would have gotten it in 180% density, because I would prefer it to be a lot more fuller, especially with it being long. But you guys know I prefer thicker units. If it doesn't bother you, then I guess you can go ahead and get the 150%. I am getting some shedding while I'm running my hands through this hair. Nothing excessive, but it is shedding a little bit. And you have to be careful because this is 20 inches, so it is going to be a lot more prone to tangling. But other than that, I think that this unit is very beautiful. I love it. It's definitely going to be in heavy rotation with my other units. This one just gives me a little bit more, I don't know. Is it me, or do you guys feel the same way when you wear in inches? I love it. So dolls, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have all the links in the description box down below. Okay dolls, so I'm back. Videos filmed, edited, about to be uploaded, and I forgot to tell y'all about the bangs. Ooh, yay, ooh, yay, ha, hold up, not the bang, the bang. Oh, no. Yes, the bangs. Okay, guys, so I have been planning to try this out. I was waiting for this unit to come, and I actually completely forgot to include it when I filmed last time. But anyway, I've been wearing the unit for about a week. It's like one of my favorites. However, I will point out that there are a lot of like split ends on this unit. I'll insert a clip so you can see what I'm talking about, just as an FYI. But let me show you guys how I turned this wig into a low-key sew-in. So I got these bangs, these clip-in bangs from a vendor last year. I never even used it. However, it doesn't really matter. You don't really have to get it from the same vendor. They typically sell these in beauty supply stores. I'll look to see if I can find them on Amazon. If so, I'll link them in the description box down below. But anyway, these bangs come with little clips on both sides, and all you have to do is clip it in your hair. And I'm gonna show you how I rock this with my headband. So excuse the BDBs, they're back. Oh well, you're not gonna see them. Keep watching. So I'm gonna put this and just clip this right here and right here. Now dolls, I am not a fan of myself with bangs. I am doing this for y'all. Okay, so now that that's clipped in, I'm gonna take my headband wig and I'm gonna put it on right on top of the bang. Okay. Then I'm gonna take my headband and put it on top of the headband wig. And this particular headband bang has the hair on the side, but I'm not going to, I guess you could wear it like this if you want, but I'm not going to. So what I do is I just take this and I swoop this right here behind the ears. And voila, you got a sew-in. Child, please, you can't tell me nothing. You cannot tell me this is not a sew-in. A 5-minute sew-in, y'all. It don't get no better than this. I'm sorry, it don't get any better than this. So for those of you guys who like to rock your bangs, just pick you up one of these bangs with the headband wig and you in business. I'm telling you, this is the bee's knees, okay? The business, okay? You can't tell me nothing. And look, you don't even need to have edges to do this. None of my hair is showing. Okay, I don't know about you, but for me, this is it. This is it. I love it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this in the comment section down below. And of course, before we get out of here, I'm gonna need y'all help naming this baddie. What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed across the screen. And if you're not part of the faithful fam, what are you waiting on? Make sure you hit that subscribe button on your way out. And dolls, it's always important. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.